Guys, it's Ica and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to do my current favorites for the month of May. I haven't done one of these videos in a really long time, so hopefully you guys will enjoy this video, and if you want to know what my current favorites are, then keep on watching. So I won't have a lot of stuff to show you guys, but I think I just want to kind of start with all the makeup stuff. I'll start off with this Huda Beauty palette. So this is a rose gold palette. I know this is a little bit like an older palette, but well, I got it maybe like a few months ago, but it is absolutely beautiful. I love how like the protective sheet has like a picture, and you know, it has a good range of like shimmer colors, which I love, and then your matte shades are at the bottom over here. So recently, if I have to do my makeup, I've kind of been reaching towards this palette. So actually this is what I used to create this look. The next palette that I wanted to share with you guys is the Tarte's Pro Glow and Blush. So I have the original version of this. This one I actually opened when I cleaned my vanity a couple weeks ago. I bought it a while ago, but never actually opened it. And it looks like this. So basically it has like 2 highlighter shades and like 4 blush shades. I've been loving this blush for, I don't know, for some reason. Like, I thought it was gonna be way too pink, but I actually love it on my skin. This is what I'm wearing on right now. And then the highlighter, I also have one as well. But yeah, it's like so pretty, and I love Tarte, so yeah. The next favorite I'm gonna show you is actually another Tarte product. So this is the Sex Kitten eyeliner or liquid liner. So before this, I've been going back and forth between the Kat Von D ink liner or tattoo liner and the Stila eyeliner. I've always loved the felt tip, but for some reason I tried this and now I just love the brush tip. So this is what I've been using pretty much every day, and I usually buy like 2 or 3 of these at a time because I go through them pretty quickly. They do last a while considering that I use them every day. But with quarantine, I haven't been using them every day. But yeah, the next makeup thing I was going to show you is this Huda Beauty Demi Matte like liquid lipstick. I really like matte lipsticks originally, but then, you know, they tend to be drying, so I kind of like how this looks. It's what I'm wearing right now as well. But yeah, no, I love the color of it. It's still nude, and the shade is in Mogul. I actually got this for Christmas last year. And the next makeup product that I have to show you guys is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. This is good for more of like combination oily skin. I also have the Ultra HD. But this one looks really good on my skin. This is what I have on right now, and I'm in the shade Y375, and this is almost done, and I already have like a replacement after. The last thing I want to show you that's like makeup related is the Essence Glow to Go Illuminating Setting Spray. You do want to be careful with this because, you know, if you have oily skin, then I wouldn't really recommend it. I have it on right now. I have combination skin, so I just tend to get oily on my T-zone, so I think I can get away with it, but I kind of like how it highlights more like my highlight. But I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but no, I do like it. The only problem is it tends to build up on the spray, so either you have to clean it every single time. I transferred a little bit in a smaller spray for my freelance kit, but I haven't tried spraying that yet, so I don't know if it's gonna do the same thing. But yeah. So moving on to like skincare stuff, I wanted to show you this face roller that I got. I think this is like rose, right? Rose quartz. I got this from Shoppers when I used to work there. And you know, face rollers have really good benefits, like they help with circulation. It has like a cooling and like soothing effect, so it feels good on your skin. It helps spread the product on your skin. What else? But yeah, they have like really good benefits, so if you guys get a chance, like, you should pick one up. They're amazing. They have really good benefits. Next thing I want to show you is this, okay, I don't know this product or brand. It's called Erno Laszlo New York. I have no idea. And I know this is like a pretty luxurious brand because I got it from Holt. It's the It's a hydrotherapy memory sleep mask, and it's actually so cool because if you open it, it looks like I haven't touched it, but basically it's like those jello material that if I put my finger in, it'll create a dent, but then like the next day I open it, it's like flat again, which I thought was really cool. But I love it because the next morning when I wake up, my skin literally feels so soft and so smooth. I do wash it off in the morning, which I think we have to wash our face every morning anyways. But yeah. And another skincare product that I've been loving is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. And this is in grapefruit. And actually my friend recommended this to me. And I tried it and I absolutely love it. And it smells amazing. I want to eat it. But yeah, the same thing. So I put this overnight, and then the next day, like my lips feel so smooth. And I'm the type of person that have like really dry, chapped lips. So this has been helping a lot. And I think the last thing I want to show you guys, see, like we're done already. It's a quick video. The last thing I'm going to show you is this body wash from Bath and Body Works. So this is in Champagne Toast. This is my favorite scent at the moment. One of my coworkers had the lotion, and I tried it at work, and I was like, oh my god, like what scent is that? Like I love it. So she told me what it was, and then I got myself a lotion, and I got myself body wash. But yeah, love it. So that is it for like my favorites. I feel like that was a quick video. I mean, it's kind of hard to have a lot of favorites because like I'm not really going out, I'm not putting a lot of makeup on. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.